You are at a hotel. Something is wrong with your room, but you don't know how to say it in English. Today we will fix that. After this video, you will know exactly what to say at a hotel, even when something goes wrong. But first, one question. Lori and Alex find a problem with their room. What is the problem? Write your answer in the comments. Let's go.
Look at this hotel. It's beautiful.
It's so tall and it looks very clean.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I have it. Do I need anything else?
No, just your ID. I have the reservation. It's under my name.
Great. Let's go inside.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation for 2 nights. My name is Lori Chen.
Let me check. Yes, Lori Chen, 1 double bed. Can I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. And can I see your ID too, please?
Yes, here you go.
Perfect. Here are your IDs back. Your room is 512. You're on the 5th floor. The elevator is just behind you, on the left. And here are your key cards.
Thank you. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
11 in the morning. Okay, I'll remember that.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. The restaurant is on the ground floor. It opens at 7 in the morning.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Here we are. This is room 512.
Let me open it with the key card.
Lori, there are 2 beds.
I can see that. But I booked 1 double bed.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I have it on my phone. 1 double bed, 2 nights.
So they gave us the wrong room.
Yes. We need to go back to the front desk and ask.
Can they fix it?
I think so. Let's go back down. Hi again. I have a small problem with our room.
Hi, what's the problem?
I booked 1 double bed, but our room has 2 single beds.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. Let me check. Yes, I can see the mistake here. I can move you to a different room.
Is there a double bed in the new room?
Yes, 1 double bed. And the new room is on the 8th floor. You can see the city from the window.
The 8th floor and we can see the city. I like that.
I'd like to move to that room, please.
Of course. Here are your new key cards. Your new room is 803.
Thank you so much, Jess. You're very kind.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course.
We want to check out late on our last day. Is that possible?
You mean late checkout. Checkout is normally at 11, but with late checkout, you can stay until 1.
So we can stay 2 more hours. That's helpful.
Yes, but it's not included in your booking. There's a small extra cost.
I see, so we pay a little more to stay longer.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll think about it. Thank you, Jess.
Let's go up and see the new room.
Here we are, room 803. Let me open it.
Wow, Alex, look at this view, the whole city.
We can see everything from here.
It's so beautiful. I'm happy we asked to change the room.
Me too. This is going to be a great stay. One phrase to remember. I have a reservation under. You can use this at a hotel, a restaurant, or at the airport. Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? Lori and Alex found a problem with their room. What was the problem? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I'll reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.